Okay, so what I'm sharing with you today is a last minute dinner idea. What you see me doing here is I'm going to get some biscuits into the oven. That's going to take about 25 minutes or less, more like 23 or 22. I have some sausage patties here. I'm going to put both of these in the oven at the same time at 350 degrees. The biscuits will be ready first, although both are frozen. And so I'm also going to have some eggs with this. Who doesn't love eggs at any time of the day? But this is going to be 4 eggs. I'm going to scramble these with cheese, a little salt and pepper. I'm going to add grits to my dinner meal. And these are the quick cooking grits. Takes about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to have bacon. And so what's going to put this dinner together so quickly is that the bacon is already done. It was in my freezer. I'm just pulling that bacon out of my freezer. I'm going to add that to this meal. And so what I have here is 4 eggs. I added cheese to that. I'm adding salt and pepper. And then I have a half a cup of the quick cooking grits. I'm going to add that to some boiling water and a little bit of butter to keep it from sticking. And so here you see me just opening up that bag of bacon. I do want that to start to thaw because it is frozen. This is my water for the grits. This water has been boiling for maybe about 3 minutes or so. So I'm adding that butter to make sure my grits don't stick and don't clump together. I'm also going to whisk this to make sure I get knock out any lumps that are in the grits. So I'm just adding salt, and this is all seasoned to taste, of course. Some people like salts in their grits. Some people don't like salts in their grits. And so I added a little salt there. And so here you see that everything has come together really quickly here. You can have all this done in less than 30 minutes. And so if you are trying to figure out what to cook at the last minute and you don't have any ideas, try breakfast. It's easy, it's quick, and everybody loves breakfast. And so here I'm just scrambling those eggs. I also have the grits on at this point, and I have a little cheese in there. I'm going to add some more cheese because we do like our grits to be real cheesy. And then I'm going to scramble that egg. We do prefer a scrambled egg, and so I could make an omelet or maybe poach the egg, but we all like it scrambled, so I got to do what we like the most and what everybody likes, because that keeps me from working so hard making things to accommodate the different people's style of eating in my home. And so hey, scramble it is. So here you see I have everything that's come together. The biscuits are out, which were easy to do. The sausage is now out, and as you can see, it has a lot of grease on it, so I do have to pat that grease off because we don't want to eat that. I have the eggs there, the bacon, the sausage, the grits are done, and I also did 4 hash browns in the oven. And these hash browns, you find these in the freezer section. Put them in the oven about 8 to 10 minutes, and they're done. Another quick, easy dinner idea. Breakfast idea that I'm using for dinner. So I'm just putting my plate here together. So I'm just going to have sausage, bacon, the grits, the biscuit, and the hash brown. And so, like I said, easy, last minute dinner idea. Thank you so much for watching.